Through lands of change and skies so light, we walk with hope and faith will strive. Each voice a light, each soul a flame, calling out freedom's name. We carry dreams on eagle's wings. In every trial a new dawn sings. Together we rise, together we save this land of the free, this heart of the brave. This is our home, where courage was born. Through fire and storm we've carried the torch, standing as one, no fear to face. Land of the free, heart of the brave. Oh, this is our song, and this is our way. Forever we'll shine, come what may. Hills to city streets, our strength is found where kindness meets. With open arms we build and give, and in our freedom we live. We raise our hands, we take a stand, bound by love across this land. For every soul that fought and gave, we sing for the free, we sing for the brave. This is our home, where courage was born. Through fire and storm we've carried the torch, standing as one, no fear to face. Land of the free, heart of the brave. Oh, this is our song, and this is our way. Forever we'll shine, come what may. Come what may. This feeling from sea to sea, a promise alive in you and me. We rise as one, proud and unafraid, in the land of the free, with the heart of the brave. This is our home, where courage was born. Through fire and storm we've carried the torch, standing as one, no fear to face. Land of the free, heart